Most people use AI like Google. They type one short sentence, get an average answer, and assume the AI isn't very good. But in many cases, the problem is the prompt. So meet the prompt guide. A good prompt doesn't need to be extremely long or complicated. You just need to give the AI enough information to understand what you actually want. Here's a simple way to do it. Start with the task. Tell the AI exactly what you want it to create. Instead of saying, give me business ideas, say, give me 10 online business ideas. That's already better, but we can improve it again. The second step is context. AI doesn't automatically know your situation. If you have no budget, say that. If you're a beginner, say that. If you only have 2 hours a day, include it in the prompt. So now our prompt becomes, give me 10 online business ideas for a beginner with no starting budget and 2 hours of free time per day. Much better. The third step is constraints. Tell the AI what you don't want. For example, don't include freelancing, trading, or businesses that require paid advertising. Constraints remove answers that are useless to you. Now here's the part many people forget. Tell the AI how you want the answer formatted. You can ask for a table, a step-by-step plan, a short answer, or a comparison based on difficulty, cost, and potential.
For example, rank every business idea from easiest to hardest and explain the first step for each. Now, compare this with our original prompt, give me business ideas. The difference is huge. The AI didn't suddenly become smarter. You simply gave it a clearer job. By the way, if you want to get 100 prompts for AI, I created a short ebook called 100 Powerful Business AI Prompts. You can find it through the link in the description. Now, there's one more technique that can make AI much more useful. Don't expect the first answer to be perfect. Continue the conversation. If an answer is too generic, say, make it more specific. If it's too complicated, say, explain this for a beginner. If you don't like an idea, explain why. You can even say, I don't like ideas 3, 5, and 7 because they require too much money. Replace them with lower-cost alternatives. This gives the AI more context for the next answer. So, a simple prompt structure looks like this. Task, context, constraints, format. What do you want? What should the AI know about your situation? What rules should it follow? And how should it present the answer? You don't need a 100-line master prompt. You don't need to tell the AI to act like a genius with 20 years of experience. Just be clear, give useful context, add real constraints, and improve the answer through conversation. That's how you get better results from AI. Subscribe